All right, yo, we're going to change things up a little bit this time for the Tuesday morning tech tip. And instead of me just sitting around talking to you, I figure we'll actually do something. About time, right? So here's your Tuesday morning tech tip with Pugliese Speed Shop. So you've probably noticed there's a couple things a little different, right? We got this guy in the shop. So if you haven't checked out that video, go out and check out Friday's video because some information about some cool things about to go on around here. Think you'll dig it. And, well, we did some cleaning. We did some moving of vehicles around. And we decided to wait for the hottest day of the year to do that. So luckily, Ian came in, like, in the clutch and helped me and the kid finish pushing this little guy in the spot. Because, you know, I need a truck here so I could dump everything in there. You know, otherwise, where's Ian going to pick up all his scrap from? So we got that handled. And, we decided, since it's such a beautiful day, that we had to get outside and do something. I know it's stupid, right? I got this big shop. Why would I want to go outside and do something? Well, the reason is because that's where my '77 LeMans is sitting. And I don't know, feel a little sentimental or something, but she's been sitting. We just can't have that. So for those of you guys that are new to the channel, this right here is my 1977 LeMans. There's a whole bunch of content from about a year ago, give or take, of us going through the car, making sure it's mechanically sound and all that kind of stuff. I drove it around for a while and then I didn't. I mean, I don't have any excuses except for it sat. Now it's got a flat tire and, well, it still fires right up. I'll prove that to you in a little bit here, but yeah, we started doing some stuff. The wiring was atrocious in this thing, and I started to fix it. Yeah, we'll use that term very, very lightly. But the thing is, she's been sitting, and I want to drive her. So I guess I'll start off by putting air in that tire, if it'll take it, and I don't know what we got going on. This thing's getting, huh. Well, that was the smell good stuff, and this is, not. Yeah, well, we'll start off by making it mobile, and we'll go from there. All right, so didn't take air. I even tried the little trick with the starting fluid where you like, and light it on fire, and all it did was light on fire. Think it might have something to do with, this here, all the way, yeah. It's not great. The other ones aren't much better, I guess. They hold air. They're not cracked around the hole. So that's good. So that being said, we're going to take this guy down to Sammy's, have him throw another Maypop on there, and leave this as it is. Super, super safe, guys, all right? So we clearly have that going on, but yeah, nobody will be around, so hey, nobody touch this, all right? Cool. All right, so back from Sammy's. Swung by Jimbo's, we were in the neighborhood, so why not? But picked up a tire. I did say I was going to pick up the Maypop, but this is going to be the best looking tire on the car. Cooper something or other. I told him I wanted just something to hold air. I didn't care. He said, I don't have them. All I got is good stuff. So if you're in the Southern Maryland area, need a used tire, this is what Sammy's got going on over there. So check them out, So like I said, the rest of the tires, they're not terrible, but they ain't great either. But we're not worried about it. Clearly, we're not worried about it. So I guess we'll put this thing together before something bad happens. Well, as you can see, she's all back together, clearly torqued to spec, and let's take it for a ride. All right, hey, full disclosure, I already cranked it over a little bit to make sure the battery wasn't dead because it's been sitting for about a month, so probably gonna start easier than it would have. If you get it. All right, guys, like I said, she wouldn't start that easy. She probably cranked for about 30 seconds or something before she went, but hey, not bad. Carbureted 301, right? So let her ride a little bit, let her warm up a little bit, because, you know, get the fluid, you know, the juices going, because she's been sitting for a while. I'll take her for a little ride. I mean, I actually got tags on it and everything, right? Might as well. Does that sound like a 301? I know it's ratty as hell, but I don't care. I love it. All right, guys, like I said, we got some things tore apart in here, but let her run a little bit. She's idling right there up to, what's that, 180. So that's how you want to mount your gauges, so you can move them around if you need to, you know. We got, you guys heard it before, right? I don't know why this car has an Auga horn, but this doesn't work, so I guess that's why. And we got a whole stereo thing, and what we got some stuff figured out, and I think she's ready to go. We'll take her for a little ride. See if I can do this. Oh, well, I think the trans fluid might be a little low, huh? All right, well, what are you gonna do? That's all right. We got her. We got her. Yeah, we need trans fluid. It's probably not good. We'll be all right. We'll get her on level ground. Oh, we're good now. Now we got her figured out. Alright. I figure you probably want to, you don't want to look at me the whole time driving. Although that white interior is sexy. I know it. But, yeah, it's, so the trans fluid, it's got to be a little low. It was sitting on that hill for a minute. Even though we redid the gaskets, all that, I think it's still, she's still leaking a little bit. We'll figure it out. But, come on. This thing's been sitting for how long? I'll put a radio in here or something. Well, oh, I got one. That's it. I got two laying on the floor over there. But, I'll take a little ride around the block, show you guys she's still solid running her driver. I probably should say that after I get back, not jinx myself, but yeah, what are you gonna do? Little different format, right? Much more accomplished, and I think a better message. So the message I was going for, in case I kind of missed the mark, who knows? Enjoy what you got, right? You see a lot of times people don't want to drive their vehicles. You know, like, oh man, it's my project and I'm doing this, 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 and this, and I gotta paint it. I gotta do interior. I gotta do this. I gotta whatever it might be. And even when it's a good in a running condition, they're like, nope, not done. You want to make this big reveal, like I don't know, like you saw one of these TV shows or something. But guys, that's TV, right? So when you got a vehicle that you can run and drive and enjoy, especially in my case where I got a slew of other projects, why not enjoy it, right? Don't waste it. Don't waste that time. You can't ever get time back, guys. We all know that, right? So don't waste that time trying to make it perfect when you can spend that time enjoying it. And that's what I'm going to do. You guys see that car. The paint is awful, right? It was originally red, which is the color I want. It was painted black, not prepped very well, or paint, or just weathered, or whatever, because it's just coming off like crazy. I don't care. The interior, all the plastic pieces are dried out and they're cracking. You guys see that? It's comfortable. That's what matters for me, right? So what my plan is, I'm clean up the interior a little bit, make it smell a little nicer because it's a little offensive in there. Throw that radio I have in there, put the dash back together, make it all presentable, and just enjoy the car. And I do have big plans for it. I got plans. I got big plans, and we'll see if I ever get there plans. But in the meantime, I always want that car to be a driver because it's the car I've always wanted. It doesn't matter what it looks like to me. I know what it is in my mind. I know it's hard. I'm complex, all right? But that's the point. That's all I want to try and say is if you got one little thing, like that was just sitting on a flat tire. That was it. And I was like, I'll get to it. I'll get to it. And I finally got to it. It didn't take very long. Should have done it a long time ago. But what are you going to do? Like I said, point is, enjoy your car, enjoy your project, enjoy whatever it might be. Don't wait for me. Do not wait for it to be perfect to get out there and enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys.